Are you fascinated by leather crafting but don't know how to start and don't want to waste a lot of materials? Do you want to show off your creativity and style without breaking the bank? Hello, my name is Shirley. I'm in the leatherback fashion industry for 6 years. That I aim to develop a fashion, or I say a lifestyle, that people could treasure what they make for years to come. No matter you're the beginner or experts in leathercraft, I provide different levels of difficulty and step-by-step tutorial to follow up. Personalized service includes your favorite colors or name engraved on it. Your handwork deserves to be cherished for years. Don't believe yourself could create a masterpiece? Just follow me in my YouTube channel for free lessons and surprise yourself that you did it from my DIY kits. Learn more at dancewithink.com or contact me for personalized service on your leathercraft journey.